Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive into the sunset on a concurrency of I-90 and I-94 in Wisconsin, just as we entered Juneau County. Juneau County was established in 1857 and named for Solomon Juneau, a founding father of Milwaukee. The county is home to 26,718 residents as of the 2020 census. We entered the village of Linden Station, which had an estimated population of 484 as of 2019. The area was settled in the 1850s by pioneer families from Kildare, Ireland. The railroad reached the town by 1857 and provided passenger service until 1969. Today, the village offers a bank, post office, hardware and lumber, a bait shop, fuel, groceries, restaurants, taverns, churches, and more, all within walking distance of each other. Every July, Linden Fest is held, featuring a parade, baseball, food, music, and fireworks. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Mowston, the county seat of Juneau County. The city was founded by Milton M. Mowse and began based on the lumber industry of early Wisconsin. This is the midway point between Chicago and Minneapolis, allowing for a rural, small-town setting but just a few hours away from the big city. Mowston had an estimated population of 4,355 as of 2019. We enter the city of New Lisbon, which during its heyday was a bustling center for railroad activity, providing service for industries as well as passenger service. As of 2019, the population was estimated at 2,546. New Lisbon was the boyhood home of actor Kurtwood Smith. We conclude today's video at mile marker 61. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.